Guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you a tree that looks like a dish. And here it is. Wow. Unusual tree. This is the most unusual tree in India that I've seen ever. A tree that looks like a real dish. You know, in India that we use like big leaves, banana big leaves for dinner, right? It's just like that, but small leaf, like a small leaf dish. That's all for today's video. Bye bye everyone.